about doing whiteboard challenges before?
Yes.
Yeah? What was most scary about it?
I don't like thinking so much, I'm not going to lie. I like taking my time to think. So I know with the whiteboard challenge, I had to think on the spot. So
Yeah.
I was a bit anxious about it, but now you've given me a better insight into it. It helped me discover what I thought I couldn't do. Be able to be confident enough to go in front of the board when I'm given the problem and then be able to solve the problem right there.
Yeah.
You know, it takes confidence to do that.
Have you ever done one before?
No, I haven't.
Are you open to doing a challenge with me today? We can do it together.
So let's do it together.
Yeah, together. It's not just going to be me asking you questions. We'll walk through it together. So this is a tool that I like to use because both of us can draw on it at the same time. So it's the easiest way for me to whiteboard with people virtually or remote. The challenge is going to be, we are going to be designing a mobile app that's going to help people find a roommate or a safe room for rent. When I just get a challenge from someone or from when a client tells me, hey, I have this problem or I want this feature, that's when it's time for me to ask a lot of questions.
Yeah.
What are some things that you think you might need to know before you could just start developing and designing an app like this? What are some things you may want to know?
Where do I start? I need to know, the first thing is, I want to know the persona.
The persona, great. It's probably someone who is a woman, probably like 20s to 30s. What other assumptions would we want to make about this persona?
A single woman, a working person.
Yeah, working person. Yep. She's probably working, I would say maybe full-time.
Full-time, yeah. Someone in the city.
Yeah, yeah. So let's give her a city. What's a big city?
LA.
Okay, LA.
Someone that has a mobile device, maybe someone that tends towards an iPhone or Samsung, like someone that wants to find a space quickly.
What else do you think is as maybe like a problem or a pain point she's had?
Let me, I'll say someone that has had issues in the past getting a place and is security conscious, because she doesn't want to get a place whereby it's not going to be safe for her. So I would say she's security conscious.
Yeah, that's a great one. Yeah, she might have had issues in the past with finding a roommate or maybe even like using Craigslist for something, or, you know, she's had some sort of issue where safety is a concern to her.
Safety concern.
I like this. Okay, I think we can move forward from here. So we kind of have a basic understanding of the persona, some of her needs, and her problem that she's having, right? All right. Now, what are some solutions that we can think about together, understanding her persona? How can we solve some of those things through this app?
Through the app. Okay, number one, we'll make sure the app background check for people that want to come on it. Is that possible?
Yeah, maybe. We can just make assumptions. That's a great one. Background check.
Then the app is going to provide places where she can rent around her.
Yes, definitely. Places to rent.
The app can like link her to maybe like 20 miles away from where she works. So that will make it easier for her to be able to get a place close to work.
Yeah, definitely. Thinking about proximity because she wants to find something quickly. So that's going to help that, definitely. I don't know if you've used Tinder or any of these dating apps before, but when I used to date before I, found my fiance, I liked it because I could sign up through my Facebook and it would tell me if when I'm looking at matches, who has mutual friends.
Okay.
So that she could feel like if someone she knows, if there's 3 mutual friends, she's going to feel more confident that they're, not a creepy person.
Okay, that makes sense. If you're looking for an apartment on those websites, it always shows the rating of the area you want to get the apartment in. It tells you the crime rate of the area. It tells you some security concerns you need to know. I'm thinking if she's gonna meet the person physically, they have to be able to give options of meeting in a public place.
I like that. Yeah, maybe there's options for meeting places. I was thinking maybe she can even have a video chat with someone before, so she can feel, or like video or phone chat before.
That is very good. And maybe can build the profile of the person that wants to rent out.
I'm gonna make a new thing called steps. If you want to take over this
Okay.
now, and let's think about each step from sign up.
She needs to put in a choice, like a zip code, to be able to show what you want. So let's say use location.
Yeah.
Can now have places.
Yep.
The filter places can come up.
Great.
This is close to her. She can choose a place of her choice. Maybe choose the one closest to her.
So then she's gonna go to the profile for the room.
Yes.
Okay,
so
great.
That way she can say who is in charge and say every other thing, like the security concerns of the area, the rating.
Yeah.
Then when she builds a profile of the room, she can get a link to see the roommate herself, and then find out if they have mutual friends.
Yeah.
And then video chat and all that can follow.
Great, great.
After she sees all of that, I believe she'll want to contact the person that wants to let out the room.
Okay.
So that might be through text, messaging, video chat.
Okay, great. So she can contact.
Okay, contact by text or video.
Now, since we have a few minutes, let's do the sketch. This is going to be the profile of the room. So what are some things that we want to see here?
Let's say an image of the room might be okay.
Yeah, definitely. It's always the first thing you want to see, huh?
Exactly. How am I going to name it? Is it going to be the name of the roommate or the apartment address?
What do you think is the most important thing to see here?
I think apartment address.
Yeah, I think so too.
Okay, so I don't need I can just do
yeah, just do that.
Okay, apartment address. Okay, some details can be here. I'm thinking the text option and the phone option can be somewhere here or down here.
Where would you think it would be the best to put?
I think the rating should be here.
The ratings?
Yeah, the ratings can be here.
Okay, great. I think so too.
Yeah. So maybe the video chat can be on the image too. I'm just trying to think. Which one is there? What do you think is best?
I like when your first choice down at the bottom one, because it's easy for the thumb. A lot of times calls to action like that are at the bottom, and it could even be like a sticky, like a sticky bar down there. What about where the roommate profile, like the roommate person is, and some of his details? Where do you think that would go?
The roommate profile is better to be maybe right in the middle of the room, like a picture here. What do you think?
I like having it up there. I like having it close to it, but I think as far as hierarchy goes, I probably want to see a picture of the photo unobstructed, like just to see what the room looks like.
It's on the bottom.
Yeah, I like that.
When the user clicks this profile, then it takes the user to a lot of things about the roommate and the mutual friends to be on that page.
Yeah, definitely. I like that a lot, and I like having his own separate profile as well. All right, wonderful. Well, you just completed your first whiteboard challenge.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
That was possible. I thought it was gonna be the hardest thing for me to do.
You already did one like fabulously. Like you really did such a great job. You were asking the right questions. You had great ideas for it. Were you worried about doing whiteboard challenges before?
Yeah.
Yeah? What was most scary about it?
I don't like thinking so much, I'm not gonna lie. Telling you, I don't really like thinking so much, but then I like taking my time to think. So I know with a whiteboard challenge, I have to think on the spot. So
yeah.
I was anxious about it, but now you've given me a better insight into it. So it helped me discover what I thought I couldn't do. So thank you for helping me.